Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to make thumbnails. Well, this is a different way than most people make thumbnails. I use this app called PixArt, and I really like this app. It's really easy and fun to make photos. So yeah, I'm going to be making a photo of this thumbnail, like this video's thumbnail. So yeah, and I'm going to be like, so that's a picture I'm going to be using, but we're gonna use that as a background because it's really cute and I really like it. And then we cut that out, and I'm going to be like cutting out like all the other white stuff, because all you have to do is press cut out and then like cut out all the other white stuff, like the stuff that you don't want in your photo, and you gotta cut out that. It might come out a little bit odd, like if you're not that trained to do it, because it's not really easy. So I've been doing this for a long time, so I'm going to be like coloring in that, so because it kind of probably would look weird if you colored it in like that. So we're just, because the red means that it's gonna cut out all the red. I think it's gonna look pretty cute. I really like this girl. I use her in like all of my thumbnails. She's really pretty. So we cut that out and voila, we have that. And PixArt is free and I don't have to pay for anything because it's really free. So I'm going to like search up how to see if, how to be pretty. That's funny. So I wish I can't really make the picture go over it if I just select layers, but I really like this. And guys, it really helps. But first, like if you want to make it custom, and like you gotta verify your YouTube channel on like a computer, just like sign in on a computer. And that's how you do it. But that, let me apply that. I do it in any color. I like black, but like, you know guys, that's how you really do it. So, but if you don't want to verify it, just put the picture in like the end of your video, so it'll be easier. And now I'm going to be showing you guys how to like put the picture up in one of your videos. So I'm going to do my house tour. Hopefully nobody notices, but then I'm just gonna put it back. So we take the picture and we put it right there, and voila, how cute is that? I just love that picture. So yeah guys, I hope you like and subscribe and press save, and have an awesome day guys. Bye, thank you.